Welcome to this EasyODM walkthrough on seat wrinkle defect detection. In this video, we'll show you how to set up models, inspect images, and visualize defect detection results. Let's get started. First, expand Neural Network Models tab. Click Add Model button under Part Segmentation section. This is where we choose a model which will segment the outline of the seats. Next, click Add Model button under Wrinkles Classification section. Here, a trained model used to detect wrinkles on the seats will be chosen. In File Iteration window, click Open Directory button to open File Selection window. Select a folder containing seat images that will be used for inspection. It will take a few seconds to visualize the results on the screen. As soon as the images are loaded, the inspection is being done. Extend Rendering tab to see more options. Each detected defect can be inspected by hovering over the defect with a mouse. To remove or add detected contours, simply click the checkbox. To change the color of the contour, simply click on Colored Rectangle and change color. Navigate through images by clicking Next button in File Iteration window. Inspection will be performed on the new image. Firstly, the segmentation model detects the seat part which is relevant, in this case the backrest, and then the classification model detects the defects in that segmented area. I hope you saw how easy it is to set up models, inspect files, and visualize defects with EasyODM. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.